Okay, what have y'all been doing on this snowy day? Look, I've been organizing cabinets. Look at that. Look at that. On a nice snowy day. Yeah, I'm breaking the kitchen up again. Look at that. Yes, yeah. Gotta clean all that. It's gonna get done. Look at that. Organized. Now I got 3 more to do. 1, 2, 3 over there. Those 3 need to be broken up. Now let's see what we doing outside. Oh, look y'all, ice. This ain't nothing but ice falling. Ice. At least it ain't piling up on the cords yet. But this is ice. Pavement still look good. These the steps I ain't gonna be using. Okay. Look at this. Why is he out here? Now, whole ass, go take your ass somewhere. Look, he ain't even got on the proper shoes. Look at this. He got on a whole leather coat. Who wear leather in the coat? He got shoes on, y'all. Go ahead. Look at this. But Lord, help him.